be a surge in cases of coronavirus across the country, and right here in Central Florida, we're learning more about what strike teams found inside 11 bars. They say we're not complying with Orange County's coronavirus mandates. They include lack of social distancing, not following the mandatory facial covering executive order, lack of floor markings to help with social distancing, and lack of signage to remind customers and employees to wear masks, social distance, and follow safety protocols. Now that businesses have been warned about it, what's next? That's a big question tonight. Spectrum News 13's Julie Grugada is joining us live from downtown Orlando right now. And Julie, I know you spoke with a law expert about this.
Yeah, Tammy, it seems there's not much the county can do in terms of fines and punishments. The county's guidelines are stricter than those of the state. Meanwhile, we caught up with one bar who is not on the list, who told us they are trying to navigate this ever-changing landscape.
New Coast is good.
At a place where the tap used to flow.
Truth be told, we were pretty much closed from St. Patrick's Day all the way through Labor Day.
They had to tap into their creative side. We visited the Winter Park Brewstillery back in May as they pivoted to making hand sanitizer. And since then, business.
It is sufficient.
Andrew Asher says they've tried to make patrons feel comfortable.
We have these little bottles sitting on every table. Our staff cleans every flat surface after every use.
Spacing seats, enforcing mask wearing, but here they have room.
We don't really have crowds coming up here at the bar top and, getting into the faces of each other.
Crowded people, few masks led to other bars, mostly downtown, being warned by Orange County strike teams. But Berry law professor Terri says there's not much teeth.
There's nothing by law that can be done.
Florida's home rule allows cities and counties to pass ordinances like Orange County's mask mandate.
Mask mandates can stay in effect locally, but they can't be enforced through fines.
The strike team lead told us they could explore other options.
The DBPR would look at that in terms of whether they would take away their license on it. I've seen them do that before.
For now, the teams will just follow up.
Bars get a lot of blame hurled at them.
Asher simply advises,
do the best you can to keep your patrons safe.
One bar on the list shared with us this campaign that they say most venues downtown are working towards, masking up, sanitizing, and getting their patrons to follow the rules, respect the rules. Reporting live in downtown Orlando, Julie Gargata, Spectrum News 13.
And we have a full list of the 11 bars recently found not in compliance with Orange County's regulations, and you can find that on our website at mynews13.com and the Spectrum News app.